Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Geenie application on an Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Start off by tapping open your Play Store on Android. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Geenie and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top. Tap it on to see further information about the app. To quickly download the application on your Android, tap the install button in green and the download should start. Geenie is a smartphone application which is used to control all of the Geenie smart home devices with an easy application installed on your Android devices or your iPhone. Once to download the application for your Android device, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath the application. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download the Geenie mobile application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.